How to find a user on Telegram using their username. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can add someone on Telegram using username. Now here you have two different options. You can first open up Telegram and head over to certain chat. Right on the chat, what you can do is you can type in @ and you can type in their username. Right, and you can send it. Then once you send it, what you can do is you can tap on that particular username and that user's profile will load up, so you can see here. Now the other way is you can head into your browser and now here you can type in t.me/. Now you want to type in the username. So you want to type in t.me/the username and you should be able to get them as well. So here, for example, t.me/Bisal, and that particular users you can see here. Now you can tap on send message and it'll open up in Telegram. So this is how you can find someone using username on Telegram. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.